RoadGlideSully here, checking in from the once independent Lone Star State. Doing a quick VR for Flatcap Piper. Flatcap is doing a giveaway, and that giveaway is for his 300 sub milestone. And having recently celebrated that same milestone, I know that's a heck of an accomplishment. And congrats, man. That's pretty good. I see you're already about 345. So you've gotten a nice little bump from the giveaway. Hopefully those are folks that aren't in it just for the giveaway and are actually liking picking up what you're laying down. So it's always the hope anyway. So Flatcap has asked us to share a moment or a time when somebody noticed the aroma of our pipe. And that's easy for me. The times that stick out the most are when my wife tells me that I stink. And I hope she's talking about my pipe smoke. I'm afraid to ask. I don't really want to know. But I actually get several comments, and most of those comments are when I'm out in public. The number one comment that you get from folks when you pull out a pipe, pack it up, as soon as you light it, they're like, "Oh, I like pipes. That reminds me of my granddad." And it's quite often an attractive female saying that. All females are attractive in their own way. Just saying. I gotta tell you, ladies, if you're watching, which something tells me based on my YouTube stats, you're not. A guy in his mid-40s smoking a pipe does not want to hear that he reminds you of your granddad. I mean, I can think of a lot more things that I would rather hear when lighting up my pipe, like, "That's pretty cool. Dude, you're a badass. Pipes are sexy." Not in that voice. But you remind me of my granddad, that's not one of them. It's just not. It doesn't work. Doesn't work for me anyway. But, I play along because you got to. So anyway, Flatcap, congrats, 300 subs, heck of a milestone. I can tell you it's because you're putting out interesting content. That's always the struggle, to come up with something new and something different to say. And you're doing it well, sir. And so thank you. Thank you for the opportunity to enter into your giveaway. Until next time, keep the rubber side down.